Hi artists! It's so great to have you with us today. Kano, where are we going today?
We're going on a real space adventure. If your teacher has asked you to make a model of the solar system, or you simply want to get to know the planets, you've come to the right place. We've prepared a simple step-by-step lesson for you. Together, we'll create the solar system using air-dry modeling clay. And while we're creating, we'll discover the most amazing secrets of the planets.
Wow, I already want to discover those secrets. Then it's time to get ready for our space adventure.
Bamba is ready for launch.
Let's blast off, Bamba.
Bamba, ba-chippa-dee-ba-doom, bamba, ba-chippa-dee-boom, bamba, ba-chippa-dee-ba-doom, bamba, bamba.
Before we head into space, let's prepare everything we need. Today, we'll need a piece of cardboard measuring 30 by 40 centimeters, black gouache or acrylic paint, a white marker, a piece of string or cord, and air-dry modeling clay in different colors. Check that you have everything ready.
And here's a very important tip. Today, we're using air-dry modeling clay. It sticks really well to cardboard by itself, so we won't need any glue while we're working. That's very convenient.
First, paint the entire cardboard black. That's what our space will look like. While the paint is drying, I'll tell you an interesting fact. The solar system consists of 8 planets that orbit one big star, the Sun. Each planet travels along its own path. This path is called an orbit. Because of this, the planets don't crash into one another. Now, take your white marker, tie the string to it, and hold the end of the string in the upper left corner of the cardboard. Draw the first big curved line, then draw the second one, and keep drawing the same kind of lines until you have 8 orbits.
While we're drawing our orbits, I have a little favor to ask. Subscribe to the Bamba channel and give us a like. That way, even more artists can discover our creative lessons, and we can create together. And now, let's continue our space adventure.
Now, add little white dots all over the board. These will be our stars. There are billions of them in the universe. Our sun is just one of them.
If the sun is so big, is it a planet too?
Great question. No, the sun is a star. It's a huge, super hot ball of gas. It gives Earth light and warmth. Without it, trees wouldn't grow, and there would be no animals or people. And do you know what's amazing? The sun is so enormous that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Now, let's start creating. Take a good amount of yellow modeling clay, add a little red and a little orange. Combine the colors, but don't mix them completely. Roll it into a big ball. Now, make fiery rays around it. Our sun is ready. First, the bright sun appeared. Then, one by one, the planets began to form around it. And that's how our amazing cosmic home, the solar system, came to be. Now comes the most exciting part. We're going to create the 8 planets of the solar system. We'll move farther and farther away from the sun. So, are you ready? Let's fly.
Which planet is closest to the sun?
It's Mercury. Roll a small gray ball. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and it's the fastest too. It travels around the sun so quickly that it completes one full orbit in just 88 days. Now, place Mercury on the first orbit.
Why does Venus shine so brightly?
Make a ball a little bigger than the previous one. Use yellow modeling clay and add a little white. Venus shines very brightly in the sky, as if it were wrapped in a huge warm blanket. It keeps all the heat inside. That's why Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Place Venus on the second orbit.
And now, our favorite planet, our home, Earth.
That's right. Take some blue modeling clay and add small pieces of green. Don't cover the whole ball with green. Most of Earth is covered by water. That's why it looks blue from space. Earth is protected by its atmosphere. It's like a giant protective shield. Place Earth on the third orbit.
Why is Mars red?
Take some red modeling clay and roll it into a ball. Mars looks red because there is a lot of iron in its rocks. When iron reacts with oxygen, it becomes reddish. That's why Mars is called the red planet. It's very cold there. Place Mars on the fourth orbit.
Jupiter. Wow, it's huge.
Now, make the biggest ball. Use light brown modeling clay and add a few white and dark brown stripes. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. More than 1,000 Earth-sized planets could fit inside it. Place Jupiter on the fifth orbit.
And who put this huge ring around the planet?
It really does look like someone did. Combine yellow, white, and orange modeling clay and roll it into a big ball. Now, let's make Saturn's ring. Take 6 small pieces of toothpick and carefully insert them in a circle around the middle of the planet. They will support the ring. Roll a long, thin piece of modeling clay and connect the ends to make a large ring. Carefully attach the ring to the toothpicks. Look how beautiful it turned out. Saturn's real rings aren't made of one big circle. They are made of billions of tiny pieces of ice, rock, and cosmic dust that constantly move around the planet. Now place Saturn on the 6th orbit.
Why does Uranus rotate so differently from the other planets?
Take some light blue modeling clay. Uranus is called an ice giant. It's one of the coldest planets. It rotates in a very unusual way, almost lying on its side. Place Uranus on the 7th orbit.
This is the last planet.
Yes, make a dark blue ball. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It's very cold there. 1 year on Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years. Place it on the 8th orbit. Now, our solar system is ready.
But where is the moon?
The moon isn't a planet. It's Earth's natural satellite. It orbits our planet. The moon doesn't produce its own light. At night, we see sunlight reflected from its surface. Make a small gray ball and place it next to Earth.
And now comes the most exciting part. Create your own masterpiece. Take a picture of your creation with the help of an adult, or by yourself if you can, and send it to the Bamba Gallery. The link is in the description below this video.
Every week, we'll choose the most interesting creations and show them in our new episodes. Maybe the next Bamba Gallery star will be your creation. See you soon!
Mercury,
Venus, Earth, and Mars,
Jupiter, Saturn,
dancing through the stars.
Uranus, Neptune,
Here we go,
8 amazing planets.
in a cosmic show,
Bamba Bamba,
around the sun.
create and learn and have some fun.
Fly with your imagination.
Show the world your creation.
Bamba, Bamba, here we go.
Let your creativity grow.
Be better in what you do.
Be Amba is made for you. Bamba, bamba.